Hey guys, otherwise Hope here. Welcome back to the channel. Now today I'm going to show you how to boost the audio on your AirPods, how to make your AirPods louder. And this is going to be using a feature built into your iPhone that not many users really know about. This is also an updated version to an existing video that I have here on YouTube, but I wanted to share additional options and methods in order to boost the audio on your AirPods. Now this is compatible with a custom sound experience, which is the feature built into your iPhone that not many users really know about. It is compatible with pretty much all AirPods, excluding the first generation, and is also compatible with Beat products as well. So I'll link this in the description down below so you can check out and see if this custom audio experience is compatible with your headphones in order to boost the audio on your headphones. Now, of course, as always, if you would like to stay up to date with the latest iOS news and Apple software updates, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you turn on those notifications so that you don't miss another episode. Now, the first thing you want to do is, of course, make sure you pair your AirPods to your iPhone. In this case, I'm going to be using the AirPods Max, which is right here on Deadpool's head, which Deadpool is helping us do here. And then you want to go into Bluetooth options here and make sure you connect your Bluetooth device to the iPhone that you want to go ahead and use for this particular tutorial. Now, you want to scroll down in settings here once you go ahead and connect your AirPods or your Beats headphones, and then you want to go into the music extension. Now, there's two things you can change here. The first is make sure you go under sound check, and it is enabled by default, so you want to go ahead and turn that off. Now, if you want to give that one a try, that one will boost your audio instantly. So go ahead, put your headphones in, go ahead, open the music app, play some music, turn it on and off, and you'll see how your music will actually go up in volume automatically when you switch this off. So sound check, turn it off. And for the EQ options here, what you want to do is typically is set to off, but what you want to set it is to late night, and this will also boost the audio on your AirPods or Beats headphones as well. So those two options will actually boost the audio on your device. Okay, so now let's go ahead and show you how to set up the custom sound experience to boost the audio on your AirPods. The first thing you want to do is head on over into settings here. Again, make sure your AirPods are connected. You want to go over into the accessibility options right here, and then you want to scroll down until you find the AirPods categories. Right here, you'll have all the AirPods connected to your device or that you have connected to your device listed. Make sure you select the ones that are connected, in my case the AirPods Max, and then you want to go here into the audio accessibility settings. In here there's a few things you can do. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, go over to headphones accommodation and make sure you enable this particular option. Now here, what you want to do is from moderate, you want to go over into strong. This will actually boost the bass on your AirPods, and you want to go into the balanced tone here, which will actually boost the bass even further. Now, once we do that, go to custom audio settings or setup here and click continue. Now for audiogram, you want to skip this part, so don't use the audiogram. And then once you find a quiet environment, you can select and continue here and start the process. Now this will make a sound on your AirPods. Obviously you can't hear it because they're over there, but you want to go ahead and say no to this answer right here, to this question, sorry. And then you want to go ahead and say no to this question as well. As asking you if you can hear the person that's saying something on your AirPods. And you'll see what I mean once you try this yourself. Just say no to both. That way it will boost the audio because it's thinking that you can't hear the actual sound that it's creating. And just click continue here, and then you want to go ahead and click continue once again. Right here you want to go ahead and boost this all the way up and go into level 2. And then you want to click continue, level 2, and click continue. And now you want to use the custom sound settings right here. And that is how you set up the custom audio experience in order to get louder AirPods and some Beats headphones on your iPhone. Again, this is a feature built into the iPhone. You want to answer no to those questions. That way it thinks that you can't really hear the sound that it's producing in order to boost the actual audio on your AirPods. And this has been a quick update on how to make your AirPods and some Beats products louder. Let me know what you think about this in those comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.